Welcome to Ultrasonic LLC. Today we're going to discuss our most common maintenance issue, water level sensors. The most common service call we receive is customers calling in stating they have a low water alarm and red light on their unit and that their filtration keeps running. Immediately, we know this is a water level sensor issue. Oftentimes, people don't even realize there are two water level sensors in their unit. There's one in the main tank and one in the weir tank. If the water level sensor in the main tank is triggered, it will turn on the filtration system, attempting to fill the tank back to its par level. And if the water level sensor in the weir tank is triggered, it will shut off the heat and the filtration system. Without proper cleaning and maintenance, there can be a buildup of debris causing the ring float to become stuck and creating a false reading. Resolving this issue could be just as simple as spinning the ring float and breaking loose any debris, and the sensor will go back to normal function. The most convenient time to clean the water level sensors is in the middle of changing the cleaning solution when both the tanks are empty. You may need to spray the sensor with a cleaning product and then spin the float several times, making sure it can move freely on the shaft. Cleaning and maintaining the water level sensors is simple yet essential in ensuring that your machine runs properly. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos where we help you get clean parts fast.